Hello, bonjour. Today I will teach you how to make coconut milk, creamy coconut milk, absolutely delicious. We start with a liter of water. We add desiccated coconut, nothing added to it. No apple juice, no sweetener, just the coconut that is dehydrated. And then, and then I start my scale. There you go. So easy to do it with the scale, right? And so we add 30 grams of the desiccated coconut. It's easy with the scale because once you've done the recipe and you go, I'd like it a little different, then you can tweak it by changing the grams and you take a note. Then I add hemp hearts, 7 grams. And hemp hearts, interestingly enough, make the milk to be white. If you just do coconut, it's not white. It's not a white color. So if you add the hemp heart, it makes it white. But also it has that lovely omega-3, 6, that we need. And you can do it with other milk as well. You can add it to other milk. All right? And then we blend. Woo-hoo! Et voilà. And next, what we do is we use a nut milk bag. So I use a nut milk bag that the corners are round. And so instead of being rectangular, where the food will get stuck in the corner, so the corners are round. And also, I don't use the string. And you'll understand why in a minute. We pour the milk inside the bag. And then, between my thumb and my index finger, like this, I'll go as far down as I can to the pulp. Then I spin the bag, spin, 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 and then I squeeze. So by doing it this way, the pulp is not going up the bag. So it's easier to work it. And you squeeze it. Excellent. Now I'm going to have to wash my hand. It's a treatment for your hands when you use the hemp hearts. Perfect. And also you rinse your jar. As you can see, there are some pulp still left in it. There we go. And then we pour the milk back into the jar, the blender jar. Excellent. Now I add my other ingredients. And I add them after, because if I would have done it before, it ends up into the pulp, maybe. I mean, some of it would, definitely. So I add a pinch of salt, a smidgen of vanilla powder. Just use the one that doesn't have the alcohol in it. That's why I'm using the powder. And then you add the date paste. And I'll put the link to the video for the date paste so you can see the class. It's very simple to do. I add 20 grams of that. And I also add the 𝗜𝗿𝗍 muss. It has 92 of the 102 minerals that we need. I add it in all my recipes, so I'm just going to add a little bit. It's a quarter of a teaspoon, because I had it everywhere, in my dressing, in my desserts, in my smoothies, just everywhere. Okay, and then we blend, but we just need to blend a little bit because it's just to make sure that we mix those last ingredients in it. There you go. That's enough. And then we can pour it in a bottle. I like to use a bottle because the mouth is small. It's easier to pour. There we go. Voila. Your milk is ready. It will last 5 days. Make sure your fridge is at 4 degrees Celsius, less than. Mine is between 2 and 4. Put it in the fridge. Inside the fridge, the door isn't as cold. If you find that your milk doesn't last, that might be because of that. So put it in the back of the fridge. This milk is all whole foods. So that's why it has so much more nutrients in it, rather than the one you might buy and has some preservative in it of some sort, something to keep it to last longer. And also when you have a recipe like this and you have the ingredients, you don't have to run to the corner store because now you don't have any milk. You can just make it in no time. Enjoy.